Hello guys, welcome back to All About Computer Science. Today I feel lucky to learn you that how you can create a simple calculator in C++. So without wasting our time, let's start. First of all, we will make logic of our calculator. Alright, logic of our calculator. In logic, we will follow these three steps. First of all, we will get input. The input consists of first value, second value, and third one will be an operator which can be plus, minus, which can be multiply or divide. And the next one we will use any statement like if else switch to perform operations on that input variables. Okay, and the third one step will be we will display output to our users. So let's move towards our code. Here I write a complete code of our basic calculator. In first line I include a basic IOStream header file which is used to define our input and output functions. Our output function is cout and our input function is cin. And int main, third line int main, it's our main functions where actual execution of program is start. First of all, I create three variables n1, n2 and result. N1 variable is used to store the first input, n2 is used to store the second input, and the result is used to save our outputs. Okay, and I also write integer and operator which is used to get operator like plus, minus or divide. Okay, first of all I will display a message to my user that please enter your first number. He will like his first number. He will give it the first number, and next one I will said to user that please enter your second number. The user will enter his second number. And the third one I will ask to user that select your operator. For 1 you will select plus, if you enter 2 you will select minus, if you enter 3 you will select multiply, and if you select 4 you will select divide. Okay, so in this layout I get the selections from the user which I store in variable operator. Here I use if else statement to perform these operations. I am going to perform our second step which is process. Okay, if our operator is equal to, here I use double equal. In C++, double equal is used as a comparison operator. If OP is equal to 1, then result is equal to n1 plus n2, because in our first selection I write plus in first selection. Okay, if our user enter 2, it means that he is asking to he is using, we want to subtract both numbers. Okay, then we will subtract n1 minus n2. If user select 3, then we will understand that the user want to multiply both numbers. Okay, and if you select 4, then we will understand that the user want to divide both numbers. Okay, and here our second step will be complete, which was process. And here our last step which is output is starting. See out, our result is equal to result which is stored in our result variable. Okay, so I'm going to run it. Here my PC is asking to enter first number. I will write 3, and enter second number. I will write 4, and he is asking that what type of operation I want to perform. I want to perform multiplication 3. It will give result 12. Okay user, if you want the code of this calculator, I will give you in my description. You can copy from my description. Thank you so much for my watching my video. So we will meet in next video. Allah Hafiz.